Okay, so this question. 1 pencil, 2 pens. 1 pencil is 8 plus 60, okay? 2 pens. 2 pens. Can you write? 1 pen is $2. 2 pencil is $4. So can you simply write x plus 64? Is this right or wrong? Wrong. This is very wrong. Okay? Express the cost of items in terms of x. X is in cents. Okay? X in cents. So you have to change everything to cents. This, you have to change dollars, you have to change to cents. So let's try again. 1 pencil is x plus 60 cents. 2 pens, $2. Okay, fine. If you add, you write $4 first, okay? But later you change to cents. $4 is how many cents? $1 is 100 cents. So $4 is 400 cents. Okay? So simplify this. X 60 plus 100 is 460. Okay? Answer x plus 460 cents. Okay? Next, he bought a pencil and a ruler. If x is 60, how much did he spend? Pencil and ruler. Pencil. Pencil is how much? Pencil is x plus 60. And a ruler plus ruler is 3x. Everything is in cents, okay? Take note, everything's in cents. So, okay, so this one is more straightforward. You don't have to change the unit, okay? Everything's in cents. So, let's just, okay, simplify this. X plus 3x, 4x plus 60, okay? Now, if x is 60, how much did he spend? So, 4x is 60, 4 times 60 plus 60. 4 times 60 is 240 plus 60, you get 300 cents. Okay? Question said how much did he spend? So if you write 300 cents, they can't mark you wrong. Okay? They didn't say leave it in cents. They didn't specify leave it in cents or dollars. So if you write 300 cents, they can't mark you wrong. If you write 300 cents, if you write $3, they also can't mark you wrong. It's fine too. Okay?
Overwhelmed by the sheer variety of PSLE math questions, especially in Paper 1 Booklet B and Paper 2? Now you're not alone, and there's a smarter way to tackle it. After years of guiding students through these challenging sections, I developed the 9-type system. Proven framework that simplifies even the trickiest word problems by distilling them into just 9 core types. This system helps students recognize common patterns and questions, apply a step-by-step problem-solving strategy, understand concepts deeply, not just memorize, maximize marks with an exam-smart approach. The 9-type system, proven, powerful, effective, designed specifically for primary 6 students who are aiming for excellence. What makes this online math camp different? In addition to covering all the essential topics, students will be taught the 9-type system, equipping them with a powerful framework to confidently tackle any word problem they face in the exam. Let's dive into what we have in store for your child. Covers core topics: fractions, ratio, speed, volume, circles, ... and more high-yield topics critical for the PSLE. What to expect: strategic problem-solving techniques, challenging questions from top school prelims, practice with real past papers from schools like Rosyth, Henry Park, Nanyang, Raffles Girls, Nanhua, Mahabodhi, and many more. Small group setting for focused guidance. Ideal for students who want to strengthen fundamentals and master advanced techniques. It's not just about quantity, it's about quality learning, boost confidence, sharpen skills, ace the PSLE. In this camp, we will equip your child with the tools they need to navigate the PSLE with confidence. Don't let the stress of exam time overwhelm your child. Give them the gift of a strategic, simplified approach to PSLE math. Location: online. Watch how I solve example questions. Singapore PSLE Math Tuition, YouTube.
I have achieved for A stars, the equivalent of for AL1, for my own PSLE. Having done it myself, I know what it takes to achieve AL1 EPSL.
Find out more about my credentials and teaching experience. Singapore Primary PSLE Math Tuition, simplifying PSLE math, maximizing results. DM through Facebook.